Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2010 Mercedes C350 maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button right here, the call button, the OK button on the left side, and up and down. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car to first click, and you're going to be using the mileage. And if it's not at the mileage, go ahead and press back or up and down to go find the mileage. Now when you get here, go ahead and use the call button and the OK button. Press it down at the same time and hold it for approximately three to 5 seconds. Sorry, I cannot record and press. Let me try this. Okay, now press call and OK at the same time and give it a few seconds. You will see that. Now let go. Go ahead and scroll down to Assist Plus. OK. Click OK on that. Go down to Full Service. Click OK on that. And scroll down all the way to Confirm Full Service. Click OK on that. Now click down to Yes. Carry out. Click OK on that. Now one more step. Confirm. Click OK on that. And there it is, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.